One of the things Fuzzy, my engineering partner, and I instituted about a year ago when we took on these roles were actually took about a quarter where it was a bit of a mess. Like when we joined, we asked this question, which is, what are the 20 projects that matter? And people pointed us to the task database or the project database, and I don't know, there's like thousands, if not tens of thousands of those things. And so I just didn't have a sense for like what are the things we track. So one of the things we did was we sort of called it outcomes. And essentially we created a new database called outcomes, and we said, okay, here's the 25 things that matter. And if you look underneath, I think there's a natural hierarchy of systems. So there's a task which could be like, I don't know, fix a specific bug, which is the lowest level of unit. The unit above that is project. So you could have a project which is, let's say, charts is a project, and like you could have a bunch of tasks for it. But then there's an outcome above that, which could be like there's actually like these 4 projects will lead us to like ship project management, for example, right? And so there's roughly about 20 outcomes that really matter, and we put it out there, and people can quickly see outcomes to the projects to the tasks, right? And so there's this hierarchy that I think everybody inside the company can see. So we came up with that list, and that list can evolve every quarter as we ship things. And across those outcomes, we created a very simple way for PMs to put their weekly updates.